In this video, I'm going to show you how to offset arcs in AutoCAD step by step, quickly and accurately. This is a really useful command when you need to create parallel arcs for design work, layout planning, mechanical drawings, or any project where spacing matters. If you find this tutorial helpful, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more AutoCAD tips and simple how-to guides. Let's jump right in. First, open AutoCAD and load the drawing you want to work on. You can start with a new file or open an existing project depending on what you need. Once your drawing is ready, look at the command line at the bottom of the screen. This is where you will type the offset command, which is one of the fastest tools for creating a duplicate shape at a set distance. Go ahead and type offset, then press enter on your keyboard. AutoCAD will now ask you for the offset distance. This is the amount of space between your original arc and the new one. Type in the exact distance you want and then press enter again. Make sure your measurement is correct before continuing because the distance will control how far the new arc is created from the original. Now select the arc that you want to offset. Click directly on the arc and AutoCAD will prepare to create the new version. After selecting the arc, move your cursor to the side where you want the offset to appear. You can choose the inside or the outside depending on your design needs. As you move the cursor, AutoCAD will preview where the new arc will be placed. When you're happy with the placement, click on the side where you want the offset. AutoCAD will create the new arc at the exact distance you entered. If you want to create another offset, simply repeat the process. You can keep clicking to make multiple offset arcs as long as the command is still active, which is very useful if you need several parallel curves in the same drawing. If you make a mistake, don't worry. You can always undo the last step or run offset again with a different distance. This flexibility makes it easy to fine-tune your drawing without starting over. It also saves time when you're working on detailed geometry or trying to match specific measurements. Once you've created all the offsets you need, press enter to finish the command. That will exit the offset tool and return you to normal drawing mode. At this point, your offset arcs should be in place and ready for the next step in your project. So that's how to offset arcs in AutoCAD in just a few simple steps. Open your drawing, start the offset command, enter the distance, select the arc, click the inside or outside, repeat if needed, and press enter to finish. If this video helped you out, please give it a like and subscribe to the channel for more AutoCAD tutorials, beginner tips, and time-saving design tricks. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.